Hello again, YouTube. I just want to give you an update on what I'm doing with my hair. In my last video, I explained how Rogaine took my hair. I was doing braid extensions, Yankee twist extensions for a few months, and Rogaine was doing a good job, the 5% growing my hair back, but then since my hair was back and long enough for extensions, I started doing an extension style. Different extension styles for a few months. And that's where I made a mistake because I didn't know that the propylene glycol in the Rogaine was drying out my hair, making it brittle and breaking it off under the extensions. If you don't wash the Rogaine out regularly, it builds up on your hair and causes breakage and weakness. The propylene glycol in the liquid minoxidil dries your hair out. So I found a new form of minoxidil, a liquid that doesn't dry my hair out because it doesn't have propylene glycol in it. I ran into a company called Strut, and they make a 7.5% liquid minoxidil that's combined with tretinoin, another growth ingredient. So I just started ordering that. I'm going to switch to that form of minoxidil without the propylene glycol in it and see what happens. In the meantime, no more extensions, just cornrows and oils for a while. I'm going to start using this new oil that I just ordered on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. And it's called Rapunzel Hair Growth Fenugreek Oil. Fenugreek is known as a good hair growth oil, and it also has wonderful ingredients for growing your hair. A few more: fenugreek seeds, grapeseed oil, nettle, horsetail, and rosemary oil. So this is what I'm going to be using for a while to help restore my hair, as well as Olaplex. And I've used the Olaplex twice this week already. I'm going to start washing my hair every 2 weeks to once a week, depending on the needs of my hair. And I'll be using this oil. I'm also going to start wearing wigs. I got a new one, and so I'm going to show you the install of this wig. It's Curly Kingston Company 13x6 textured lace wig, and it's a glueless lace wig. It's got kinky edges, so let's see what it looks like out of the box. You've probably seen other videos featuring this wig before. That's how I actually found this one. And I think it's just the right length to help prevent tangling at the nape and down the back. And I tend to like shorter wigs, a little bit shorter, because they're easier to keep up. Here's the lace. It's got HD lace, so it's supposed to be a bit more transparent. Let me put my wig net on. There we go. I recently just colored my hairline again so that the grays disappear. So those are the kinky edges I was telling you about. I think what I'm going to end up doing is plucking those. So it sits a little high on my head. Hang on just a second, guys. This wig has an adjustable band, and it's got 3 combs, a couple in the top and the corner sides, and one in the back. Something that I always do is I remove all of the combs because I never use them, and I don't want them rubbing against my hair and causing breakage. So I remove all of the combs, and of course I'm going to be cutting the lace and plucking the hairline and using a little makeup. So let me show you that process. Something I like about this hair is that it's got a little bit of texture to it, as if it's, you know, a natural press. So it looks more realistic. These kinky edges are a bit much though, so we're going to pluck away some of those. I like baby hairs a little bit, but I kind of think this looks a little too real where these edges are so thick and fuzzy. If you know what I mean. So we're just gonna thin this hairline out a bit. But I do appreciate what they're trying to do here, because I think this will be a nice cover up to my natural hairline. If I don't overdo the tweezing.
You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling just
it's like she has a whole little afro right at her hairline.
I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this.
Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the combs.
Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Alright, so there's the parting space. All 3 combs have been removed. And let's get it on the head. My head.
I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever.
I'm going to adjust the band because when I put it on earlier it felt a little close. It also has adjustable straps. And it's feeling good.
Told. But I don't mind even though I lose control.
We're gonna smooth it out a little bit, guys. I've got my handy dandy electric pressing comb. So I'm turning it to about a 4 so that I can smooth this out and smooth the hairline out a bit. While that pressing comb heats up, I'm gonna add a little bit more makeup to the hairline. Make sure we're getting the proper coverage. There we go. There we go. Guys, I admit, I don't like to mess with my hairline. I don't like to use hairsprays. I don't like to use glues. I like to pop it on and go. I just leave the hair draping around the front hairline so that people won't notice this. But maybe for this wig I might have to invest in a little spray or something to keep it held down. Let's see. But with the makeup, the hairline blends really nice. Let's see what we can do to smooth the front down. I just hang the wigs on the shoe rack, so it's a good place to store my wigs and my wig caps. How do you guys store your wigs? Please comment below and share your ideas. Alright guys, that's it for now. So, I wanted to get away from wigs. My hair was growing back, but unfortunately, the Rogaine snatched my hair back away from me because of using it too much and not washing it out enough. So, the new plan is to use a different kind of Rogaine and wash my hair more often and no more extensions for a while. I'm not sure if the extensions themselves contribute to my hair's dryness, probably so, depending on the kind of extensions you put in, but you know, when you can't moisturize your hair very well or make sure it's being well oiled, that's always a factor. Thank you so much for watching. Happy growing, and please comment below, share any stories you have with hair loss and what you're doing to restore your hair. Of course, I'm also using one of my faves, tried and true Jamaican black castor oil. And before I cornrowed my hair, I made sure that it was liberally coated with this as well. Alright guys, till next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.